Welcome back to the Micrometrics Show, you guys. If you're not, follow me at underscore micrometrics. So basically, micrometrics is we're looking at the small explosive coins that could possibly give you 5, 10, 100, 1,000x, you guys. Maybe it happened, maybe it doesn't this cycle, but we are in an NFT bull run. Go follow me at underscore micrometrics. Right now, the theme for the NFTs on Robinhood, you guys, is anything that you stake as far as an NFT and it pays you out in Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Tesla. At the moment, them are the 3 or 4 that they're paying out. Plus, they will have a token associated with it. So, if you are familiar with the stock brokers, they actually have like a partnered company or a partnered project, which is Pitboys, and then they have the let me see here. They have the Mind Boys. So these two NFT projects kind of work together, and they also have a token. I've been waiting for a dip because I did miss the. I faded it in the beginning just because the artwork kind of looks similar to another project, but that really doesn't matter on Robinhood. What matters is the analytics. Floor price right now 425. Earlier today it was around 390. I should have got in, but I didn't. This right here, what you want to be looking at? These are technically charts here, you guys. So about let's say the first, which was less than a week ago, these around 58 bucks. You could have easily got them 10x ago, about 9x ago, you guys. They were trading 55, $48, you guys. Anybody could have bought one of these, but like I said, the Robinhood chain is so new. Nobody knows what's going on. At the moment, they're 425. So what are they? What do they have going for themselves? And why is the price so high compared to other projects? This is the next runner up to Stunt Brokers. So right here, I believe this is one of the founders. They basically explaining what's going on with this token. I don't know if they're the exact founder, but I know they're part of the community real heavy, and they probably created something with this project. But what it says, what are they and what are they connected, and why is everyone talking about them? The simple explanation is the Stunk Pit is the platform. So the Pit Boys and the Mind Boys, which is NFTs I just showed you, they're called Pit Boys. They have another project called Mind Boys, and they let you mine. They let you mine the DRPE, the DERP token. You extract it by basically mining it with those NFTs. But what's interesting is the mining doesn't just produce a token. Every successful proof also creates decentralized randomness that games and on-chain app can actually use. So that means miners aren't just earning rewards, they're producing infrastructure. So this is an infrastructure play, but like I said, you are technically mining and you are generating some type of asset. So the fees generated from the demand help build permanent redemption floors and feed value back into the ecosystem, creating a circular economy instead of relying on endless inflation. So basically, the more I guess you're earning rewards and selling and buying, it creates a floor price to where this probably won't dump too hard on you. Now, anything happening in crypto. So I'm just reading what they have out here. This is not a paid sponsorship. I'm actually trying to get into this project, but I did see it do a 10x. It's up pretty high. It's actually doing better than a lot of other projects that I talked about as far as percentage wise. But this is the Stunk Pit, and the token is the DERP token. So I've made a couple charts here because I was like, maybe I should probably buy the token, but it's actually in a channel right now. So I created two lines here, one of which being support and the other one being resistance. So it's going to have some type of support here at 4.23 million market cap, as you can see here. Once it broke past it, the resistance was up here at about 7.59 million, as you can see here. It tapped it, broke under the support, and then it kind of tap, tap, tap. It traded under. So this was actually resistance for quite some time until, like I said, around the first, when those NFTs start taking off, the token, look, the first, you look at the date down there, right here, then the token took off and then it hit that support again. I mean, it hit the resistance right here around 7.59 million, came back down to support about 4.59 million, and then it hit another resistance and since bounced off and then it broke through it. So the all-time high is about 11 million, you guys, and then it broke all the way under. It didn't create support level where this resistance is. It actually broke through it and tapped the previous support level. So it has support around $4 million, you guys. So technically it's trading in this channel. It's the channel that is like at the moment. It's still too early to really be trying to chart these type of tokens. But like I said, I like looking at the RSI. So the best time to buy is when the RSI is either at the bottom of this purple or under it, because every time it goes under, it always bounces up. So not every time, but as long as it doesn't flatline, you can catch a nice bounce if you have the RSI on. If you guys don't know what RSI is, you just click the FX and type in RSI, and this is going to show you. This is how I trade here off of RSI with these type of tokens and a lot of other ones, but it's trading in this channel. So I don't know what's going to happen with this project next. It's right in the middle. It didn't really break out yet. I know where the resistance is. If it breaks the resistance, it's going to go up and try to touch that 11 million, you guys. So, or it could dump below, and the previous support levels is 2.2 million. So you can either lose half your money or double your money in this play here, or you can probably just get a good 50% gain if it does tap that resistance right there. This is just a little bit TA I do on projects. I'm showing you how before I get into something, I look at support resistance. I look at the RSI before I buy. It's right in the middle, so it could go either way. So no, I'm not going to buy the token. I'm actually waiting for a dip on this project, or I might put an offer in. You can actually put offers in on different type of projects. Not financial advice to do so. So if I was to get in, I would get in about $350. But then I actually don't want to dump on me. That's a lot of gains that I made off the other projects on OpenSea on Robinhood to be given up. But like I said, this could possibly be the next Stunk Broker. If you look at Stunk Broker, basically that's the top project right now, and they're trading right now at 11.7K, so about 12K, you guys, and they have a pretty solid base right now, and that's pretty up there. A lot of people are priced out of this project, so they're trying to get into similar projects that are doing the same thing. Like I said, do your own research. Not financial advice to buy these. This is just how I'm making gains every day, buying, getting in and out of different Robinhood chain projects. I'm only keeping the ones that I think may last. We're still so early. Do your own due diligence. Not financial advice. Stay tuned for the next video.